Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sell digital products on TikTok Shop. Let's get started. First thing you do is create a TikTok business account. This provides access to TikTok promotional tools and analytics, helping you reach a broader audience. Then develop engaging content. Produce short, captivating videos that showcase the value of your digital products. These conduct include tutorial, behind-the-scenes looks, or customer testimonials. Since direct sales aren't possible on TikTok Shop for digital products, utilize link in bio tools like Linktree, Beacons, or The Leap to direct users to your product pages on platforms such as Gumroad, Etsy, or your personal website. Ensure that the pages you link to are mobile-friendly, clearly describe the product, and have straightforward purchase process. Respond to comments, create content based on follower questions, and build a community around your brand to foster trust and encourages purchases. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.